In this lecture, we're going to show how to create a sketch on standard planes. So first we have to create a new document. So let's go here, new, let's go with part, and OK. To create a sketch, we must active Sketch tab, this one. If you don't see this tab, you can right click and you will find this tab here. So you can click here off and you can go here with on. So make sure that the Sketch tab is active. Now we have few options how we can create a sketch. So here we have a sketch tool. We can click on this one, and now here we can choose on which plane we want to create a sketch. We can choose front, top, and right. So let's click, for example, on the front plane. And now we are automatically on the front plane. And here on the left side, we can see that our sketch 1 is active. And this is X, Y plane. And now we are ready to use our sketch tools here. If we want to exit the sketch, we have two options. We can go here and click this one, exit sketch, or we can go here. So let's click here, and now we are out. So this is one way how we can create a sketch. The other way is that we first select the plane here. For example, we want to create a sketch on the top plane. So we click here, and now we can choose here, sketch. And now we are on the top plane. We can see this is sketch 2, and this sketch 2 is now active. Let's exit sketch by clicking here, exit sketch. And now we're going to show the third way how to create a sketch, and this is by clicking here on the front plane. You can go left click, and then here you have a sketch. And now you can click here, sketch, or you can go right click, and then also you can choose here, sketch. So let's click a sketch, and now we are on the front plane. And now we can create a sketch here. And we can see that sketch 3 is active. And now we can exit sketch by clicking here or here. So those are a few ways how you can start creating a sketch.